Australia declared war on birds. 1932. 20,000 emus are invading Western Australian farms, destroying everything in their path. The government sends Major Meredith and 2 soldiers armed with heavy Lewis machine guns. They open fire at point-blank range, but the birds don't fall. The emus split into small groups led by giant leaders, executing perfect military-grade maneuvers. One bird is hit 5 times and keeps running like nothing happened. After 10,000 rounds of ammunition, the soldiers surrendered to the feathered army. The birds